Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show. Coming to you from its new time slot at 4 p.m. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Now that I have everything that YouTube wants me to say out of the way, let's get into today's video. Today, we have a taco skillet coming at you. All right, in this pan over medium heat, I'm going to brown up 2 pounds of 80/20 ground beef. After it's browned, I am, of course, going to drain it. Okay, our beef has been cooked and drained, and now it's time to add 2 10.5-ounce cans of tomato soup. Again, we return this to about the same medium heat, maybe a little bit less, maybe a little bit medium-low. Now we're going to return our ground beef. Give this a little stir. And then you want to add 2 cups of salsa. You could make your own, but I decided to cheat and just go with pice, because I liked the commercials back in the day. Then you want to add 2 packs of taco seasoning. If you want to get specific, I went with Taco Bell, but you can go with your favorite. And then give this a stir around. And then you want to let this simmer for at least 10 minutes. But I went a little bit longer. I went closer to 20, 25. Just because the longer you let it simmer, the better the flavor. Just my opinion. But like I said, at least 10 minutes. But like I said, I will let mine go like 20, 25. And with our taco meat nearly done, it is time to add a cup of shredded cheese. Shredded cheddar cheese, to be specific. Now, you want to give this a couple of minutes to melt up. I do really recommend getting a block of cheese and shredding it yourself. If you have a food processor, you can get it done in 5 seconds. The reason is that the pre-shredded stuff, it doesn't melt quite as good because it's covered in like palm dust or something to prevent it from sticking. All right, once it's melted, we should be good to go to assemble our taco. All right, we got our shell warmed up and ready to go. We're going to spread some sour cream on the bottom here. Like I said, I like to get it all over. All right, and now we have our taco meat. Now we're going to add some iceberg lettuce. And then we're going to add some wonton strips, just because I felt like having something crunchy in there. And then we want some cheese on top. And then we just want to start to roll our taco up. And that's it. Taco skillet. Done.